Good morning, Doral Dragons. Let's stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for 30 seconds of silence. Please join us in reciting the school motto.
We are Doral. We live by striving to be the best we can be. We learn by working hard and always doing our best. We love by caring for others. We leave a legacy by sharing our school with others and trying to make a difference in the world.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Kat.
And I'm Michael. Today is November 17th, 2022. Here's what's happening at Saddle. Lunch today is turkey dinner special with mashed potatoes, gravy, and corn muffin. Baby carrots, applesauce, white milk, and chocolate milk. Saddle clubs. Gardening club, there are no more meetings for semester 1. Cheer has practice today from 3:50 to 4:50 p.m. Please meet Coach Marrujo and Coach Page on the outdoor stage. LVA Portfolio Club are meeting today at 2:45 to 3:30. Please meet Mrs. Preston at the flagpole. Sports updates. Girls basketball are having practice today from 2:55 to 4:20 p.m.
Doral Saddle Girls Elementary Basketball. Tryouts are today, November 17th, from 4 to 5 p.m. Pay the $175 fee before trying out. See Mrs. Montenegro or Ms. Sunstrum for any questions. School updates. Popped Popcorn fundraiser is happening this Friday. Yearbook art cover contest deadline is also tomorrow, November 18th. Turn in submissions to the front office or email digital ones to saddleyearbook@gmail.com. Last Kona Ice of the season is this Friday. Remember, $3 per cup. And there are no birthdays today, so have a great day, Dragons.